Replacing or installing new windows is a significant investment that can improve your home's energy efficiency, aesthetics, and overall value. However, finding the right window installation company in Houston can be overwhelming, with so many options available. To ensure you make the best choice, here are some essential factors to consider when selecting a window installation company in Houston. Check for licensing and insurance. One of the most important steps in selecting a window installation company is verifying their licensing and insurance. A reputable company should have a valid license to operate in Texas, ensuring they meet state regulations and industry standards. Additionally, they should have liability insurance and workers' compensation coverage to protect you in case of any accidents or damages during the installation process. Look for experience and expertise. Experience matters when it comes to window installation. Choose a company with several years of experience in the industry, as they are more likely to handle various types of windows and installation challenges efficiently. Companies with a proven track record will also be familiar with Houston's unique climate conditions and can recommend the best energy-efficient windows for your home. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Online reviews and customer testimonials provide valuable insight into a company's reputation and the quality of its work. Check platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to see what past customers have to say. Pay attention to feedback on customer service, installation quality, punctuality, and overall satisfaction. A company with consistently positive reviews is more likely to deliver excellent service. Evaluate their product selection. The best window installation companies offer a wide range of high-quality window options, including energy-efficient models, different styles, and various materials. Whether you need double-hung, casement, bay, or picture windows, ensure the company provides options that fit your aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Additionally, check if they work with reputable window manufacturers known for durable and energy-efficient products. Inquire about warranties and guarantees. A trustworthy window installation company should stand behind its work by offering warranties and guarantees. Look for companies that provide manufacturer warranties on their products and workmanship guarantees to ensure you're covered in case of any issues post-installation. Understanding the terms and duration of these warranties can save you from unexpected repair costs in the future. Request a detailed quote and compare pricing. While cost shouldn't be the sole deciding factor, it's essential to get a detailed, written quote from at least 3 different companies. The estimate should include the cost of materials, labor, installation, and any additional fees. Comparing quotes will help you determine a fair price for your project while ensuring you receive quality service without overpaying. Assess their communication and customer service. A reliable window installation company should be responsive, transparent, and professional in all interactions. From your first inquiry to project completion, pay attention to how they communicate. Are they willing to answer your questions? Do they provide clear explanations about the installation process? Companies with excellent customer service will prioritize your satisfaction and keep you informed throughout the project. Ask about installation timeline and process. Understanding the installation timeline is crucial, especially if you need your windows replaced within a specific time frame. Ask the company how long the project will take, from ordering the windows to the actual installation. Additionally, inquire about their installation process, including how they handle debris removal and cleanup after the job is done. Verify local experience and knowledge. Houston's climate presents unique challenges, including high humidity, intense heat, and occasional storms. A local window installation company with experience in the Houston area will know which materials and window types work best for local weather conditions. They can recommend energy-efficient windows that help regulate indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. Trust your instincts. Lastly, trust your instincts when selecting a window installation company. If something feels off, such as high-pressure sales tactics, unclear pricing, or poor communication, it's best to look elsewhere. Choose a company that makes you feel confident about your decision and prioritizes your needs. Final thoughts. Finding the best window installation company in Houston requires careful research and consideration. By checking for licensing, experience, product quality, warranties, and customer reviews, you can ensure you're choosing a company that provides excellent service and durable windows. Taking the time to evaluate your options will lead to a successful installation that enhances your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appeal.